So as discussing in the previous lecture that chemical potential of A, it is represented as chemical potential of A in the standard state mu A 0 plus RT ln Ca, that is the equilibrium concentration, and introduced alpha term, that is why this Ca has been changed into the equilibrium and the difference of the concentration from the equilibrium state. In the same manner, the concentration is written for the V, and these two terms from the multiplication they are separated log m into n, that is log m plus log n. So RT ln Ca equilibrium value plus RT ln 1 plus it is alpha A divided by the equilibrium concentration of A. In the same sense written for the B part here. Then writing the affinity, that is mu A minus mu B. So terms are placed here. When I write for A, then because the system is near to equilibrium, at that stage the mu naught A and mu naught V, they will be similar. RT ln Ca equilibrium value will be equal to RT ln Cb value. So these terms cancel out. We are only left with the terms which is with the alpha terms. So it is RT ln 1 plus alpha A Ca equilibrium minus RT ln 1 plus alpha B into Cb divided by Cb equilibrium. Now let us say that alpha A upon Ca equilibrium, these terms, that is very much less than the 1. So when that term is very much less than that term, then log of this term can be nearly taken as this term only. So log of this less term which is less than 1, that is alpha A upon Ca equilibrium value. So removing the logarithm and 1 from here, we are left with RT, it is alpha A Ca equilibrium value minus alpha B Cb equilibrium value. Then substituting for alpha V, it is equal to minus alpha A. तो वहां पर माइनस और माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, तो नेक्स्ट टर्म में प्लस आ गया यहाँ पर. सो A इक्वल टू RT, इट इज अल्फा A अपॉन Ca इक्विलिब्रियम. ये वैल्यू मैंने बाहर निकाल ली, अंदर बच गया आपके पास 1 प्लस Ca इक्विलिब्रियम डिवाइडेड बाय Cv इक्विलिब्रियम. So since 1 plus alpha A and Ca, that is very much less than the 1. So these term, this slide already taken. Then rate of chemical reaction is equal to L, that is the phenomenological coefficient, multiplied by this affinity term. So that affinity term is being written here. So जो पीछे रिलेशन था यहाँ पर, that is Ca equilibrium divided by Cb equilibrium. तो ये K, कैपिटल K के इक्वल है. किसके इक्वल है ये? कैपिटल K की. तो नेक्स्ट टर्म में इसको मैंने 1 बाई K जो पुटअप कर दिया यहाँ पर. नाउ अगेन फर्दर मॉडिफाइंग दिस रिलेशन, इट इज 1 प्लस 1 बाई K इज रिटन आउटसाइड, K1 इंटू अल्फा, दैट इज द रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द काइनेटिक्स. ये किसके साथ रिजल्ट है? काइनेटिक के साथ. तो यहाँ पर 1 प्लस 1 बाई K जो है वो वैल्यू है. अल्फा ए ऊपर है, अल्फा ए नीचे है. बाकी टर्म जो बच गई, दैट टर्म both are equal, it is L R T, it is Ca equilibrium और K1 दोनों वैल्यू जो है वो इक्वल है. So from here L can be written, that is the phenomenological coefficient, it is equal to K1 this side, Ca equilibrium वैल्यू परली साइड जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, RT नीचे जाके क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So K1 into Ca equilibrium, that is the rate at the equilibrium state. So why this way we are able to calculate the phenomenological coefficients. इससे जो वो phenomenological coefficient जो वो निकाले जा सकते हैं. What this situation we have taken the help of the equilibrium state. So this means we have supposed a condition which is a very near to the equilibrium, but it is prior to equilibrium. And that is why it is non-equilibrium state that is being considered. So here is the kinetics that helps in the calculation of these phenomenological coefficients. The remaining portion we will discuss next time.